Welcome back. I want to say about 2 years ago we were here on this channel unboxing the Aurora R9, and now I am back with the Alienware Aurora R13 gaming desktop computer, which is so beautiful. As an Alienware Hive member, they sent this to me to see what kind of new things they have in this new computer, and I am so excited to show you. I've been using the Alienware Aurora R9 for the past 2 years and I absolutely love that computer. Now with this, we're gonna just up it a whole nother level and I am so excited. Now I'm gonna try something that I've never done before, which is having a dual PC setup. So we're gonna use my R9 as the streaming PC and this beauty, the Aurora R13, as the gaming main highlight PC, like the star of everything, because she is gonna be pumping out some magic. One thing I'm super excited to see is the window to see into the beautiful PC and all the beautiful parts and all the RGB possibilities, and the new cryotech cooling technology, liquid cooling technology. Oh, I'm so excited. So that means she can take on even more heat than before. Well, I wouldn't say like put a bunch of heat on your computers, but you get what I mean. Like, I'm excited to see it. Let me just stop talking and unbox this cutie. Okay, I'm a one-person band, so hang on. She's kind of big, and I kind of love it. How do I do this? First things first, I'm not good with technology. I don't know technological terms nearly as well as some. Okay, she's ready. Is it this easy? Easiest unboxing ever. Look at the beautiful, the wonderful. Boom! Alienware Aurora R13. That is so cute! Or not cute, it's really pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let's get this out. I'm gonna try and do this in the nicest way possible, but it might get messy. But oh my gosh! My R13 is in the lunar light color. It also comes in the shade Dark Side of the Moon. So let's get her out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to lay her down. I love the box. I love the box. Okay. Ooh. She's big and I don't really have a full setup. My dog's joining me. My room is really small. She's big. Oh my god. First things first. Box with accessories. So I have the cable. So we have the power outlet. And honestly, I think this is gonna be the easiest unboxing. Wait, you know what? I honestly can just... What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Well, would you look at that? Okay. Get this out of here. Oh my god. She's beautiful. Wait, how am I gonna do... I don't have space. I don't have space in my room for this box. Playing it dangerous right now. Oh my... The box is so big, but it's great. Okay. There we go. Look at how beautiful. Oh, and she has, oh, it's got all the plastic to peel off. Hold on, let me zoom in. Now, there's a lot of different little features that are on this. So we have a couple of USB ports. Let me turn her for you. We have a couple USB ports on the front and a headset thing, headset port, and a USB-C port. Oh my god, it's got the beautiful, oh, I want to just peel off all the plastic right now, but I also want to wait a little bit. So she doesn't feel that much bigger than my current PC, but like looking at them, they definitely are. Like this is definitely a little bigger. Oh my god, I love how this front is. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna just peel off all the plastic because why not? Oh yeah. Oh my god. She's gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to turn this on. I am so excited to get this plugged in because I know we all enjoy this, right? You have to. Like, new tech, always. Ooh, I don't want to get fingerprints on it. Oh my goodness. Do you enjoy this as much as I do? I'm really enjoying this. I'm gonna plug her in immediately. Again, this is the lunar light color. I love it so much. On the back side, this little latch to open up the window, which we will do in just a second. You have all of your ports for graphics. You have HDMI, the DPI one, and then a bunch of different ports in the back as well. I'm loving her. Oh my god, she looks so beautiful. Yes, queen. Take off your coat. Let's get comfy. There's like a lot of really particular little pieces. See, now this is actually an RGB strip, or like a light strip, which lights up the internals of the computer. Oh my god, I can't wait. Let me get a screwdriver. I'm so excited. So there's a little handle here that opens up the window. And it's that easy. Oh, I love how it looks. Okay. One thing I noticed with the Alienware computers, they come with this little clip that actually makes it so that you have protection on your graphics card while like it's traveling to you. So you can take it out and like, you know, keep it in there or not, depending on what you want and how you feel about it. I'm gonna leave that sweet pea in there. This also is, as I said, a light. There's like LEDs right here, and see what's going on. That's such a cool little design. Place for a hard drive. Oh, mamacita es muy bonita. I'm so excited. Let's get her on. I'm gonna put the window back on actually though. And just like that, super easy. I'm gonna just plug her in, see what goes on, see the magic that happens. Ready? Oh, she's so quiet. The airflow is going to be so good in this. I have to hook her up to a monitor and everything, which I'm gonna do in a sec. But look how good this fan is blowing, which I feel like is so hard to get in a good fan for PCs. And this thing is gonna keep her cool. Oh my god, the air is actually like cooling me. Oh, that feels nice. I love the look of it. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm too excited. Let's put this baby together. Big thank you to Alienware for making this possible, for creating something so beautiful and also sending it to me. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of the Alienware Hive. I feel so, so grateful. And this setup, I keep thinking like, oh, it's complete now. No, it's one-upped every single year, I feel like, and I am so, so grateful. I thought the design on the R9 was really cool. This just knocks it out of the park, and I love the window. We know that RGB is super fun, and this makes it way more, like, we can just add more, I don't know, zhuzh it up even more. Oh, I love my baby. Oh, I don't want to get her dirty. I love my baby. Will you be my main piece? She says yes. She said yes. So with the command center, you can change around the lighting of a lot of different pieces and little parts within the PC, which I love. So you can change it literally to anything that you'd like in the whole rainbow, baby. Look at how gorgeous. So I love blue, so I'm gonna keep her blue. You can have certain things off if you don't really care for the RGB, but like, how are you not gonna have her like beautifully with RGB? Hello? Like, yes, please. We could do the spectrum where it'll like change like a rainbow. There's also the breathing where it'll go in and out, in and out. And this is all done through the command center. Now, I built my first gaming PC and it was a really, really fun process building everything. However, a pre-built gaming desktop is so nice. Like, everything just comes ready and rocking and rolling. Like, she is ready to take on all the games in the highest settings and thrive. I am very in love with the pre-built PCs and the gaming desktops that Alienware has. I'm also gonna have a full setup video once I get all the cables sorted and everything like that, because I have never done a dual PC stream setup. So this is gonna be a bit of a learning process for me, and I will show you the end result when I finish it. But I'm so excited to add this beauty, Aurora R13, to the collection and to the setup. Oh my gosh, just so beautiful. I love her already so much. Now, if you're a gamer like me and you want something that's going to be pre-built, out the box, ready to go, ready to rock and roll with RGB options so you can have it visually on display, or just, you know, however you would like it for your own setup and everything, this computer is so gorgeous and so wonderful. I know that she is strong. She's powerful, powerful baby. I absolutely love the honeycomb design that they have going on. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. Oh, I'm so excited for you to be a part of the family. Let's compare the size difference between the R9 and the R13. This is the Aurora R9 and this is the Aurora R13. So it definitely is, and by it I mean the R13 is a lot bigger. Not honestly that much bigger, but it is a little bit bigger than the R9. Aesthetically, I really do have to say I love the R13 because of the RGB, the window. It is beautiful. The R13 is definitely more prepared for the USB-C and like 5.0 kind of USB system that's coming out. This is gonna have a couple more of the USB like 2.0 and 3.0 ports. I feel like the R9 is super compact, and cooling wise, you have the vents here and here on the sides, and then of course in the front. And on this, the R13, you have cooling in the front and the back. The cooling that's coming out of this and how much space they have and the airflow, I feel like it already is going to do, and already does, a great job with cooling. And of course it has the new cryo technology for cooling, the liquid cooling cryotech. Hello, I am amazed by these products. I like her. She's nice and thick. We love it. Listen, you've been wonderful and you still are wonderful, and I'm gonna still use you daily. Your sis be looking real hot. I will see you guys in the next video with the full dual PC setup. I'm gonna warn you ahead of time. I'm sorry for how bad I am with cable management, but I'm how many times did I say it? I'm so excited, like so excited. She's gorge. Absolutely gorge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and watching me unbox this beautiful, beautiful beast. Thank you so much, Alienware, and oh my gosh, Aurora R13, we are gonna be besties.